Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Late Tasty Kitchen. So happy to meet you all on this Thai Pongal day. This is a very auspicious day for farmers. So today we have something special for you and we have bonus. We have two recipes for you for this Thai Pongal. So make your Thai Pongal really special with us. So before that, do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for more updates. And we are going to see our first recipe. That's Laddu, which is really sweet one. This is for MC Satya because the person have been commented on our video saying he want to do Laddu, so we are doing it for him. So we'll see how to make Laddu in this video. Take 250 grams of gram dal flour and add it into a bowl, and then add 1 teaspoon of soda powder, and then add 1 cup of water and give it a whisk. And now start mixing the mixture, and if you want to add more water you can add it. Do not add more water and make it too much of liquid. You can make it like a creamy mixture. And once it's well whisked, now add cooking oil to a pan. So actually we are going to fry the mixture, so we'll see how we're gonna do it. So once the oil is well cooked, so let it get heated. So after it get heated, you can use this kind of a spoon which has a small holes on it, and now pour the mixture on the spoon, and you can see that it's pouring as a small mixtures. So now let it fry for a few minutes, and once it's fully fried you can strain it using a strainer, because you should not take it out with oil, so that might spoil the mixture. So you can, so actually this is called Boondi, so we have to strain and get the the fried Boondis out of the tray. So now continue the same procedure and finish the mixture as that, and strain once it's well fried. So now it's time to make our sugar syrup. So add 500 grams of sugar into a bowl, and then 300 milliliters of water, and let it cook. So we are going to make a sugar syrup, so we have to keep it stirring and make it a thick liquid. So once the sugar syrup is very thick, you can start adding the coloring. So we are using Kesari powder, which is an orange color powder. So we have to mix a little water in that and then mix it well, and after that we are going to add it to the sugar syrup. So once it is added, so we have to stir it well and let it few minutes. So now we can start adding the Boondi into the mixture. So now we are mixing the sugar syrup and Boondi together to make a thick mixture. So once the Boondi is soft, like you have to make it 60% soft, and then we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, so which adds more taste, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Turn off the flame and rest it. So once it's over, you can add 15 numbers of dry grapes or plums. If you want, you can add more as well, and 10 numbers of cashew nuts, and 1 tablespoon of muskmelon seeds. So these ingredients will give taste. It will add more taste to this boondi. So we have to give a mix, and once it's well mixed, now it's time to make our boondi laddus. So now transfer this mixture to a plate, so that would be easier for you to make the boondi. So let it cool, or sometimes if it's a bit hot, you can make the shapes easier. So yes, now it's time to make our bundis. So take one by one and make a spear shape using your hand. So you can see how it turned out. So it's turning really well, the orange color, and it looks really attractive and mouth-watering. So this is how you have to continue the process to all. And now your boondi laddu is ready. So today we featured MC Satya's comments. So like this, if you want to get featured in our videos, do comment your favorite dishes on our videos. You will be featured like this on our upcoming videos. So now we are going to move on to the second one, that is rice flour pitha. So we'll see how to make this sweet in this video. Take a bowl or a vessel, add half cup of water and then half cup of jaggery. So now it's time to boil this jaggery. So you can see it's boiling. So once it's boiled, you can see it turns out like it will be mixed with the water and it turns out a very nice liquid. So now you have to add 2 cups of rice flour and half cup of all-purpose flour, and then 1/4 cup of milk powder, and then half teaspoon of salt for taste, and then give it a whisk and let all ingredients to combine well. So now we are going to add the mixture that we have mixed, that the water and the jaggery together. We are going to add into this dry ingredients. So we have to add it slow, because if you add all mixture together, sometimes it might form lumps. So you have to add slowly one by one, and then you have to make sure that no lumps found in the mixture. So we have to take a pan and we have to add cooking oil into that. Let it become hot. So now we have to add the mixture into the frying oil. So you can see this is how we have to add it. So you can add the amount that you require. If you want to make it bigger, you can, but this would be a default size, or this would be better. So like this, you have to continue the process and you have to fry it. And once it's well fried, you have to take it out. So you can see it will turn out a very brown and shiny sweet. So in this video, we saw how to make rice flour pitha. So this is really a special video for y'all. So we made a bonus for this Thai Pongal. And so keep watching our videos and keep commenting and get featured on our upcoming videos. Wishing y'all a very happy Thai Pongal on behalf of our Late Tasty Kitchen team. So celebrate your Thai Pongal with your families and with us. So do comment and share our videos and like our Facebook page as well. So wrapping up the session, and gonna celebrate the Thai Pongal with y'all. See you in our next video. Until that, good day.